Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here para-dimethylbenzene is given. You have to guess the compound give how many signals in the NMR spectroscopy. Before finding the NMR signals, you have to know how many mirror planes are present in the molecule. If you look at the molecule, it has two mirror planes. One is through CH3, one is through middle of the benzene. Here dotted line guide you to identify the planes. So the atoms in the mirror plane will be same chemical shape because of its magnetically equivalent property. Hence the molecule only have two signals, one is from methyl, one is from hydrogen. So more symmetrical the molecule, less number of signals. So the given compound has two signals in the NMR spectra. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.